What's up, guys? Today we got a quick video of me installing badge skins on my 2025 Tesla Model 3. Real easy installation. Comes with all instructions and everything. So first things first, of course, you want to clean off your surface. So clean off your headlight with soapy water, or whatever cleaner you have. All the dirt, dust, grime, stickiness, waxes, whatever you got on there, so the adhesive can stick good. As you can see, just wiping it off. And got to dry it, and then we're going to apply the DRL tint. Like I said, real simple. You may need a heat gun. Definitely suggest using a heat gun to make sure all the edges adhere for long-lasting results. But yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. Definitely transforms the look of the car. Definitely looks good. As you can see, it comes in this little sheet, left and right, label and everything for you. So all we're gonna do is peel off one, pre-align it, make sure you're working with the right one, unpeel it, and line it up for real. Yeah, remember the heat gun I was talking about? Yeah, here's where it comes in handy. So you see the little plastic piece that is, that you could just peel up and peel away from the yellow DRL. So yeah, I tried to peel it, but nah. So I guess it's a little bit of a cold day. Might be different on a hot day, but I'm gonna use my heat gun to make sure the adhesive sticks to the light, so that way when I peel off the plastic layer just comes straight off, not drag the yellow with it. You know what I'm saying? So. Alright, and all you want to do is, like I said, just peel that layer right on back, nice and slow. Make sure the yellow isn't lifting up, and you're practically done. You peel off this layer, so you want to go over your edges again. Make sure they're all tucked away, nice and snug, and you Gucci.